Hello. Optical instruments. First, we are taking the simple microscope. It is also called magnifying glass. At the near point means the final image is formed at d distance is the normal distance, least distance of distinct vision for normal eye. D is equal to 25 centimeter. So we have adjusted the gap in such a way so that from the eye or lens, the final image is formed at the distance 25 meter. It is very distinct, clear and magnified. Magnification here is the image is virtual, erect and magnified. Here the angular magnification formula beta upon alpha. Beta and alpha are very small. First of all, what is beta? It's very important. Alpha, it is very important. They are not the angle simple, but at very special case when the final image is formed at d distance with the lens and lens is used, then this angle made by the image formed at d distance, the angle beta, and alpha is the angle made by the object placed at the same distance is equal to 25 centimeter but without lens. This is alpha. So here angular magnification is given by beta by alpha. Alpha beta is very small, so it is 10 beta by 10 alpha. In the figure, in the triangle ABC, tan alpha means AB upon A and tan alpha means A dash B double dash upon A dash, which is equal to A dash B double dash is simple AB, the equal of the object. So here, taking the values of tan alpha, tan beta and here A dash B double dash is equal to AB, cancel out here. So okay, मिल गया हमको सी ए डैश अपॉन सी ए विथ साइन कन्वेंशन सी ए डैश इज माइनस बी अपॉन सी ए इज माइनस यू minus minus cancel okay magnified by u. Now using the lens formula 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon minus 2. If we multiply and every term b, v by f is equal to v by v 1 minus v by u. Now v by u can be written as 1 plus d by f. What is d here? This is the image distance. The minus sign, if we put it here, we are getting equation 1 and v by u is equal to 1 p by f. The final magnification given by 4. Now the far point. Far point means when the eyes are relaxed, final image is formed at the infinity. So here 10 beta by 10 alpha magnification is d by f. If the image is formed at infinity, it means here this is what f 10 alpha. 10 alpha will be image. If you image put at focus, then this is the d distance 25 cm. So m is equal to v by u. D will be m is equal to d by f. For the far point is a division, normal adjustment. It's also called normal adjustment and the eyes are relaxed. Now we are taking here compound microscope means is that not the simple microscope, but here the second part or second figure is just equivalent to simple microscope. When the final image is formed at near distance means at distance of 25 centimeter, this distance are distant. So compound microscope when the final image is formed at a distance. Here we can adjust the object distance on the objective lens in such a way final image is forming at a distance. Now the triangle here, say AB is the object forming A dash B dash image, Earth is the real image, inverted image, and the eye lens is so placed here, it is making final image at the distance. Now angular magnification beta by alpha. Angular magnification is given by beta by alpha. Angles are small, so beta can be written as 10 beta by 10 alpha. From the figure 10 beta 10 alpha, 10 beta means you see the triangle A dash B dash. 10 beta will be A dash B dash upon C2 A dash, and 10 alpha means here if the object directly placed at d distance at I, it is making angle phi. So A dash AB upon C2 A. So this way, if you are putting the values of 10 beta 10 alpha, like this. Here a double dash b double dash upon ab because ये कैंसिल हो, तो हमने a dash b dash से मल्टीप्लाई किया, a dash b dash से डिवाइड किया. प्रॉब्लम now a dash b dash upon ab is the magnification of objective length. A double dash b double dash upon a dash b dash is the magnification of eye length. We know eye length formula for the simple microscope. We have derived m is equal to 1 plus d by fe for the near point, and mo is object distance for objective length, image distance vu upon minus u. mo is equal to u upon minus o. We put it here. We are getting the u को हमने मॉडुलस में माइनस से इन्वर्ट इमेज से प्रॉब्लम नहीं. So this is the final formula for magnification. M is equal to V naught upon modulus of minus 1 plus D upon F. Here object is very close to the focus. Approximately U को हमने FO लिख दिया और U is very small. ये हमने FE वैसे ही स्मॉल ले रहे हैं, इसके और अंदर रख रहे हैं. इस FE से भी छोटा है ये. U डिस्टेंस हमने नेगलेक्ट. It means approximately this formula equation 2 can be written. VO की जगह हमने क्या लिख दिया? VO plus U is L length, tube length. Tube length is the distance between the two lenses, objective lens and the eye lens. And इसकी जगह हमने FO minus modulus में ले लिया. So this is the approximate formula for the magnification. The correct formula for the magnification. This is very small. Now far point, when the final image is formed at infinity, is a relaxed eye called normal adjustment. Here AB is the object. This image A dash double dash. Now the gap between this image and the island so placed here. The final image is forming at infinity. ये दोनों parallel हैं, मिलेंगे ही नहीं. So final image is formed at again the basic formula. M total magnification is MO for objective lens, ME for eye lens. हमने क्या लिख दिया? D upon FE पहले प्रूव कर चुके. पावर ऑफ लेंथ पावर पॉइंट के लिए हमने ये M is equal to D upon FE. मिनिमम मैग्निफिकेशन हो गया when the final image is formed at infinity. मिनिमम मैग्निफिकेशन, ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी भी नहीं है. क्लैरिटी कब आएगी? जब हमारी आंखों का है कि D डिस्टेंस पर इमेज बनेगी. So this is the maximum magnification when the final image is formed at D distance. And this is very clear also. हमारी IG हैं, हम जब D distance देखेंगे clear देखते. So for clarity and for maximum magnification is the case when the final image is formed at D distance, and here also we are getting the sufficiently magnified but lesser than the magnification when final image is formed at D. Minimum magnification final image is formed at infinity. हम नॉर्मल एडजस्टमेंट क्या बोलते हैं इसको, कि हमें बार बार एडजस्ट नहीं करना, क्योंकि डी डिस्टेंस पे लेने के लिए हमको बार बार एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे हमको एडजस्ट नहीं करना. नाउ कम टू टेलीस्कोप. एंड इज द एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल टेलीस्कोप. एस्ट्रोनॉमी मीन्स कई की जो चीजें हैं उसको. अगेन नियर पॉइंट मीन्स फाइनल इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड एट डी डिस्टेंस. नियर पॉइंट and far point means final image is formed at infinity. First we are discussing at the near point. When the final image is formed at distance of closest approach, and this is the for normal eye this is the distance centimeter. Now object it is far of distance, so हमने इसको लेंस को हल्का इंक्लाइन कर दिया at a very small angle alpha, so that at focus we are getting some height a dash b dash. तो पैरेलल रह जाएगी, height will be 0. तो कहाँ से मैग्नीफाई करें? For this region, this is tilted a little bit. Objective lens is tilted a little. Here, this focal length is very large, very thin, and aperture is very large, so that maximum amount of rays are coming, reaching here, and sharp image is finally. So objective lens should be very thin, focal length very large, aperture is. Their eye lens is thick length less, aperture is. So the incident rays, parallel rays are coming and making an image at FO is A dash B dash, and the eye lens or eyepiece so adjusted final image is formed at D distance. Say here in triangle, this angle is beta, tan beta is A dash B dash upon 2s. In this triangle or alpha angles, 1 A dash B dash, tan alpha means here A dash B dash upon A dash B dash cancel हो गया, उल्टा हो गया. हमको मैग्निफिकेंस 1 dash. What is C1 A dash? This is the focal length. What is C2 A dash? This is the putting the values here FO and UE, we are getting the equation 1. Magnification formula मिल गया हमको FO upon minus 1. Using the length formula for I, 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. अपन एफ इज इक्वल टू 1 जगह क्या ले रहा है, डी ले रहा है, माइनस डी, टू ई माइनस यू, ये 1 माइनस डी जाएगा, ये माइनस प्लस हो गया, तो 1 यू इज उधर ले गए, 1/f प्लस 1/d, एफ कॉमन ले लिया नीचे से, 1/f इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस कॉमन लिया था इसलिए यहाँ पे एफ आ गया 1 इक्वेशन, तो 1/u की वैल्यू हो गई 1/f 1 प्लस हम इसको पुट करते हैं यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन 1 में, एफ अपन माइनस 1 ये वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, माइनस 1/f ये इधर आ जाएगा, तो दिस इज द एंगुलर मैग्नीफिकेशन फार्मूला, लेंथ ट्यूब लेंथ विल बी FO प्लस u is very small, so approximate that is. Now when the final image is formed at the finite distance, relaxed eye at infinity called normal adjustment. Final image is formed at infinity, this is for relaxed eye and it is called normal adjustment. Again at objective lens, then very large aperture and focal length also large. The incident ray is coming, forming an image here A dash B dash. Eye length or eye piece is so adjusted, focal length FE and FO coincides. और ये इमेज FE के लिए, आई लेंस के लिए भी फोकस है, फाइनल इमेज हमें मिलेगी एट इंफिनिटी, एट इक्वल नॉर्मल एडजस्टमेंट। तो मैग्निफिकेशन का फॉर्मूला बीटा बाई अल्फा, tan बीटा बाई tan अल्फा, tan बीटा मीन्स A dash B dash अपॉन C2 A dash, tan अल्फा मीन्स A dash B dash अपॉन C1, कैंसिल होके ये फॉर्मूला मिल गया, तो C1 A dash अपॉन C2 A dash, दिस इज द फोकल लेंथ ऑब्जेक्टिव एंड लेंथ ऑफ आई लेंथ, माइनस साइन बिकॉज इनवर्स में इन्वर्टेड इमेज मिलती है, ट्यूब लेंथ विल बी डबल ऑफ दिस, डबल नहीं FO प्लस FE, दोनों इक्वल होते हैं, तो ट्यूब लेंथ विल बी L equal to the gap between the two lenses, that is the FO plus F. Now reflecting type, there are two types of telescope, one is Cassegrain suggested by Cassegrain, so it is Cassegrainian type telescope and suggested by Newton, it is Conian telescope. Here this is the concave mirror, the concave mirror called objective mirror, and by reflection, reflecting meet somewhere here, but before meeting they are again reflected by the secondary concave mirror. Finally we can see the image from the eye lens. Magnification is given by FO upon F. Magnification ज़्यादा होने के लिए FO ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, FE कम होना चाहिए. In Newtonian telescope we are using the parabolic mirror instead of spherical mirror called objective mirror, so rays are reflecting back. Here before meeting they are reflected by the plane mirror and finally it can be seen from the eye lens. Here there are some advantages of reflecting type telescope over refracting type telescope. There is no chromatic coloring का जो डिफेक्ट है, there is no chromatic aberration, कलर है ही नहीं because of mirror use. Image is much brighter in comparison to refracting type. यहाँ पे हमारे साइज का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, पर्चर can be taken as very large. There is no spherical aberration. Firstly तो हमने नलीफाई कर लिया, भाई पहले मिल नहीं दिया, पहले ही रिफ्लेक्ट कर, एंड इन न्यूटोनियन टाइप टेलीस्कोप वी आर यूजिंग द पैराबोलिक मिरर्स, ओनली सिंगल फोकस इज देयर, तो मिलने से पहले रिफ्लेक्ट. नाउ मिरर्स रिक्वायर्स ग्राइंडिंग एंड पॉलिशिंग ओनली ऑन वन साइड. लाइट वेट, तो बड़ा लेंथ लेंगे, बहुत कॉस्टली आएगा और बहुत ज्यादा हैवी होगा, से इजी हैंडल करना इजी नहीं होगा. तो mirrors are cheap and easy to make as the cheapest lens. ये सस्ता है, cheap है, make and easy to handle because हल्का है. Grinding polishing tidy करना है and there is no aberration. दोनों टाइप का aberration नहीं है, chromatic colorful का भी नहीं है, spherical. So they are usual better than the से रिफ्लेक्टिंग टाइप टेलीस्कोप. सबका एप्लीकेशन अलग अलग है. ये एडवांटेजेस हैं इन रिफ्लेक्टिंग टाइप टेलीस्कोप ओवर रिफ्रैक्टिंग टाइप टेलीस्कोप.